Hey guys, I want to talk today about something really important as far as your computer goes. And I made a lot of videos on it, and I always stress it. You got to do maintenance to your computer. Just like your car, every once in a while you got to tune it up, change the oil. Well, same thing for your computer. You're doing stuff online, your computer's getting clogged up with temp files, internet files, all kinds of temporary junk. You need to have your antivirus, your spyware remover in place, and you need to do your cleaning every couple months just to make sure that your browser works good and your computer works good on the internet without a lot of stuff going on in the background. We're going to go into that. We're going to talk about a few different things that you can fix and you can change to control that on your computer. Stay with me. We'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. Antivirus has to be on all the time in the background. You have to have the latest definition files, so make sure it's updated all the time. Second thing, CCleaner. You have to run that every couple weeks. It's a free program. Just go to CCleaner for Windows 10 and click on Custom Clean. It'll clean all your junk out. You won't lose anything. It'll just clean all the temporary stuff. Third thing, you got to take everything off of your history in your Google browser because that'll slow down your internet searching. The way you do that is you go to the three dots up on the right hand side of Google. Once it's open, you touch down to where it says history. Then you go to the left, clear browser history, control on your keyboard, highlight one, hit the A key, and remove everything. Make sure it's set on all of them, not an hour, not 1 week. You want to remove all your browsing history in Google.